and show you some of these projects. Now, the first one I'm going to share with you is this Tree of Life soldered pendant. And this is a little bit more of an advanced technique, but guess what? All of the projects in the book start with the easiest. And as you work through the projects, I add skills as you go along. So you're learning more and more. I think this type of teaching in a cumulative fashion where you're building upon skills is a great way to learn. And I think that anyone can learn how to solder. And stay tuned to the end of the video because I have a brand new soldering course coming right up. And